Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a FabFitFun Community Christmas Swap. Every year the community has seasonal Christmas swaps that you can participate in, and you can participate in their card swaps or their gift swaps. This is one of their gift swaps. It is all wrapped up. This box is extremely heavy. I have no idea what's inside, but we are going to find out together. So it's a secret who your elf is that is sending to you. I was sending to Susan, and I can leave a link for you here if you want to see what it is that I sent to my secret swap partner. So my secret elf is Melanie. I really like the card. We're off to a great start. This is really cute. Look inside here. All sorts of beautiful like sparkles and wrapping. These are lights. These are amazing. I actually already know where I can hang these. I have a bay window that I do a lot of decorating in, and I think these would look really nice in that. One of the first things I did was to hang up the icicles, and they are a perfect match for my window, the perfect size and everything. I'm really enjoying having a little bit of light added there. Peppermint lip balm. If you see my nails. Peppermint actually is one of my favorite scents. Anything sweet or minty or chocolatey is a real winner with me. So that was a perfect gift. I love lip balms and I love peppermint, so thank you for that. The reason why I'm laughing is because there are countless, literally countless Lindor chocolate truffle balls mixed in with all of this beautiful shred, and like it's as far as I can see in the box. So I think maybe we'll just pick some things out of the box. Everything is so beautifully wrapped. Let's pull some things out. This is my favorite Christmas song, Baby It's Cold Outside. I know by that what the shape of that is. This looks to be the biggest gift. Some sort of a book, definitely. Oh my gosh, this goes on forever. Pink, my favorite color. And there's some goodies inside there. Wow, there are so many things here. I'm just gonna pull everything out and show you how Melanie has wrapped everything. She's definitely taken a lot of time and care to have such a beautiful presentation. I love the look of craft in Christmas wrapping. This feels kind of candle-like. I think it's upside down. It's some sort of a jar. Cute little bell. Here's some more containers. Oh, feels like another jar. I'm going to show you inside the bottom of the box, although you can't see all of the amazing chocolates floating around. So cute little cuticle oil in a little pen That's fun. So let's turn the camera around and actually take a picture of everything because she's got such a beautiful presentation of all of the wrapping, and then we'll open up the gifts together. Okay, let's start with the obvious thing that I can tell is a tape runner. This is a brand I've not ever tried before. I will tell you, you can never have enough adhesive, so I am very grateful to have this. That is lovely. Let's move into what looks like little jars. I'm very curious as to what's inside of these. Wow. It looks like a candle. Peach pie. I definitely love flavors or scents. Oh, it's the same brand as this. I definitely really appreciate things that smell like food. So let's just take a look at the inside of this. So this is the inside of the candle. It does smell beautifully like a peach pie. So I'm very thankful for that. Smelly things made with love. So these are what would appear to be maybe homemade candle from a local crafter in her area. Ooh. Sweet honey nectar. Let's see what this one smells like. Also very nice, a soy wax candle. Very, very nice. Those are great. I really like that smell as well. I can be very sensitive to smells, so I'm so happy with the choices there. Let's try taking a peek in this beautifully pink velvet case. I love little pouches. And inside here we have, a little gift set of bath bombs, micro delivery peel, some different skincare products here. The micro delivery peel. So that's cute. I definitely will. Oh, it's an Ipsy bag. I love that. I actually subscribed to Ipsy one time, literally just to get the pouches because they're so cute. And so I'm thankful to have this because these little pouches are so handy for storing various craft supplies. So I definitely appreciate that. Let's take a look inside here. Grace and Stella, everything is better in pink. I would agree. Eye masks. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. A dream come blue. You're ever cute. Those are really cute sayings. I know Grace and Stella is a popular eye mask brand with FabFitFun, so perhaps Melanie bought these through a FabFitFun add-on sale. I have the beautiful wrapping jingle bells and then some actual little jingle bells on the top. She really took great care to decorate everything beautifully. Ooh, I have to say this right off the top. I didn't realize how much I needed these in my life until we got some in the FabFitFun box, and I find them super useful. So I'm very happy to have two. Oh, I've seen this shape before as well, and often wondered about venturing out into trying that. So now I can try that. Oh my gosh, this is a clip as well. Isn't that an interesting design? That is really cute. So thank you for those clips. Okay, we've got another jar here. Could this be another candle in a bigger size? Oh, no. This is a hot chocolate. Oh, I love it. Salted caramel from Starbucks. I have never tried their hot chocolate of any flavor before. And so that's great. I look forward to trying that. I mostly drink water, but the one drink that I will have that's not water would be a tea or a hot chocolate. And hot chocolate's definitely a little treat type thing. So I'm thankful to have a really nice new hot chocolate to try and to share. I know that many people in my household will help me with that. If I put it in our cupboard, the kids will dive into it also. And it looks like we have another Starbucks item here. This one is just a regular hot chocolate, a 40% cocoa. This sounds really good. It's got a little dent, which doesn't matter. It got dented in transport, but it looks fantastic. I'm very thankful to have those. They look wonderful. Let's take a look at this one. I don't know what cassis is and coriander, but another beautiful candle. I like them in these cute little jars. So that is lovely. I've got this whole complete set from there. And the gifts just keep on giving. I actually went and collected all of the chocolates and put them in a little container. That's how many chocolates there were strewn about in my bag. Washi tape. So you never have enough glitter in your life. So she sent me some very unique sparkly washi tapes of like whole interesting variety. And then there's some shiny ones as well. So we've got this glittery ones. Washi tapes is something that I've just recently gotten back into using. So those will be a fun addition to my craft room. Joy to the world. Some fun little sparkles. Cute little bell on all of the packages. Stickers. American Crafts. This is not one that I have. And they look to be holiday ones. The really great thing, oh yeah, they're beautiful. The really great thing about this is I actually was given a holiday book like this that had more than just Christmas. It had, oh, they're beautiful. It had all different occasions. And this is looking like the same. It's got a combination so far of Christmas as the start. And then we've got some Halloween in here. So these are really useful in my fun planners that I do. And I actually was thinking about getting another one of these because I've been getting such great use out of it. So this hits the mark exactly of something that I was planning to put on my radar to purchase. So that is a really great all-season planner sticker book. I haven't even seen this one before. That will be really useful. Thank you so much for that, Melanie. Season's greetings. Very cute. I love the natural jute twine she's wrapped all the packages with. Oh, yay, wow. These are perfect. I can never have enough pens, markers. These are the dual-ended mild liners. I've never tried them, and I see so many planners using them. So I'm very grateful to give these a try, and they're in my favorite colors of pastel. So that is wonderful. Thank you so much for those. Yay! And last but not least, some giant book. I will probably reuse a lot. That's the source of the glitter. This is where all the glitter is coming from. I know what this is. It's 12 by 12 and it feels like a paper pad. This is a scrapbook paper pad. Oh, it's more than one. Wow. So here we have a series of different blues, and then kind of like antique-y sort of browns, and then lastly some different gold and white in combination with some other sort of a variety of different patterns and colors. I really like this white and gold, and they're like a nice weighted cardstock. This is terrific. I'm actually going to be doing some classes with a neurodiverse group within the community, and I'm going to be making birthday cards, and I kind of think this paper pad is going to be perfect. This is one color of paper I don't have a lot of because I gravitate toward pinks. But anytime I'm making cards that are gender neutral or for men, I always have such a hard time finding things in my stash that will work for them. So I think all of these papers are going to be useful for that because they're really quite beautiful. I find when I'm pushed into trying colors that I don't normally gravitate toward, I end up loving the results. It's why it's a really great thing for people to choose things for me. So that's a lot of fun. Well, she definitely hit on all of my loves. She's got chocolate and crafts, paper and beauty. There's so many wonderful things. Thank you so much, Melanie, for this beautiful gift. Thank you to everyone who's participated. I've enjoyed seeing all of your forum posts with all the beautiful gifts that are perfect for each of you. It's such a wonderful community that we have with FabFitFun, and I really appreciate being a part of it. And so thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.